Alrighty, folks. So I'm watching a live game right now in which Magnus plays. So I'm gonna try do my best in the current position. I can see there is a weak pawn on e6, and that probably is something to be captured sooner or later. 2 minutes 38 for Magnus, and for the other guy, who's this guy? Okay, I know he's a FIDE master, Marco something. It's a title Tuesday, by the way, my friends. Okay, is that guy's turn. So the question is if black now is going to defend the e6 with the rook or something. There is okay, knight b6 being played. I guess it makes sense. Rook takes rook, right? Rook d1, yep, just straight away, and exactly the e6 weakness that we just said, of course. So let's count the pawn. Now the knight goes for the b2 pawn. If you push that one is a3 that is hanging, and this bishop would be happy to arrive on e4. By the way, that's not what happened. It's black's turn, by the way. So just pointing out that actually the bishop on e4 would actually cover all those white squares, e4 to h7, and then black has to be careful about the back rank issues that might occur. So 1 minute 15 for the other guy. Now Magnus, apparently he moved rook e7, going for b7. That's just to notice straight away. So he placed the rook on the 7th rank. b7 is completely under attack. It's targeted now, and it's a bit painful for black to play rook b8, you see. On the other hand, can you afford losing the pawn? If rook goes on to d1, just saying, it's a check, but not a big deal since the king can very easily move on to h2, that is. So I think I'm going to keep recording covering this game until the very end because, it's Magnus playing. And I think you guys are all interested in seeing how he produces his best chess. Covering now using my mobile phone for this, not the computer, which I normally do during the streams. So he played rook b8, which I did speculate myself. I mean, I'm not using the software or anything. Now let's see how Magnus chooses to play. Is he going to play bishop e4 or something? No. He dropped a rook to e2 to defend against the knight, I reckon. Now king to g8. Okay. What is he going to play? f4? Is f4 move here, I wonder? Anyway, he played bishop h3, king f8, and bishop to f5. Probably the bishop wants to play d3. Just asking for a friend. Okay, he wants trade-off now. DFM wants trade-off. The problem for them is that he's got 36 seconds, and by the looks of it, Magnus is 1 minute and 13. Took, king takes, and now b3 hitting the knight. An absolutely great move, says the almighty engine. And I wonder what may be the reason for that one. Is it because knight a3 and then you're going to push c4 or something? So what's the deal with this after knight a3? Really? What's the deal with that? He took on a3. He did take f4, which I did speculate previously. c5, king e2. So these are f2, apologies. Okay, so double pawns. Black has gotten double pawns here. King e7, he pushes those pawns. He got a massive pawn majority on the king side, and now the bishop obviously goes for the h5, which he did take straight away, check, and defending the pawn on b3. King centralizes, you don't need to worry because there is the bishop defending. Knight probably wants to play what? g3 or something. Yeah, that's exactly right. Okay, You're looking at b5, but those double pawns don't matter. Okay, it's a massive pawn majority, so white's winning. Probably black would resign any minute. It's just he gonna create a pass pawn. Yes, exactly. He's creating a pass pawn. That guy is unstoppable now. Probably he should be resigning, fellas. There's absolutely nothing here. Yeah, queen is coming, and well, does he want to flag Magnus? Knight is pinned. Probably bishop is going to be hitting them again. Oh, was that danger of a stalemate? Yeah. Okay, cool, guys. So that was just a brief and unplanned comment on a live game played by none other than Magnus Carlsen himself against Marco Riley or Riley. I don't know how to pronounce. Apologies, guys. All right, fellas. See you next time, guys. Take care of yourselves. Cheers.